na ni kugerera nenda citu cia ukinyaniria wa Facebook ni @muthingi TV, kwa WhatsApp ni gifugo mugwanja kifugo ithathatu inyanya inya mugwanja igire inya mugwanja. Na tugithie na mbere na ni ati mucirithania munene wa igoti guku bururi-ini ni Martha Koome na gavana wa kaunti ya Siaya James Orengo ni makiuritie Akenya gukorwo magigitira wiyathi wa ruhonge rwa magoti, makiuga ati wiyathi uyu ndwakionekire na njira huthu. Mararagia kana maritie hindi ya kuhingura igoti kaunti-ini ya kuria Koome oritie Akenya na atongoria mateithiririe ruhonge rwa igoti na makiria gukinyaniria hari utungata waguo wa kuheana kihoto guku bururi-ini.
It is befitting to be named at this event where we are talking about deepening access to justice, reducing bureaucratic bottlenecks that have historically plagued our justice system. We are bridging the gap between the people and the courts. We have been able to share with the members of the public how from wherever you are, you can be able to file your cases. And we are also bridging the digital gap between the poor and the rich by ensuring that we use the available resources within the government, like the Huduma Center, by establishing a desk within the Huduma Center for the judiciary, where litigants can be assisted to file their documents instead of going to cyber cafes or having to be charged.
And those of your colleagues in the judiciary, whether you make decisions that we like or we don't like, the most important thing is we should never, never, never lose that battle again, where we have to fight for a free and independent judiciary, because it cost a lot of lives, a lot of people suffered for it, and if we fail as a nation not to have a free and independent judiciary, all else will be impossible to achieve. Peace.
Governor Siaya, all distinguished guests.
Thank you very much, Siaya J.
Tukihiuka nginya kuria kaunti ya Embu, nario igoti ria Embu ni rikiruguritie